Investing like Meet Kevin, Graham Stephan and the rest of them is like buying a mansion on debt when you earn $25,000 a year. Yeah, good luck with that one, buddy. The problem with finance content on YouTube is that it lacks relatability and honesty. For most people with a standard 5 days a week low wage job, investing seems impossible as they are just struggling to even pay the bills. And seeing these big names throw around money like it's confetti, this will discourage many people from starting their own investing journey. The lack of honesty and transparency is an issue. You will only find this in older videos when they've just started out, but however when they grow and the money grows with them, they seem to forget about where they started. The likelihood is that they're just so focused on growth and getting to that next level that they choose to forget about the past. But in terms of investing, this is where things could go really wrong.
And here we go.
Once these financial YouTubers have so much money coming in, they can risk a lot of money on these speculative investments. Take Meet Kevin for example. Financial Motivation made a video calculating how much Meet Kevin makes in a year, and he calculated that he makes about 1.8 million per year just from his YouTube alone. That's not accounting for his brand deals, other income streams and his courses which he plugs all the time.
And know how to react to them. Check out the program link down below. I think it's amazing. Of course, I've got 5 programs in total. Take a look at all of those. Link down below. You send alerts in the Stocks and Psychology Money Group. Link down below. Keep in mind that coupon code does expire on Friday. The video is brought to you by my courses on building your wealth. More on that in a moment.
Like, seriously, dude? On top of this, he said he's made $3 million in a month.
Have you ever had a $3 million month? Yeah.
Oh my shit.
So when he does things like this, it is acceptable for him to do it, but for anyone else, it's fucking ridiculous. And then there's this. The Financial Shinanigan YouTube channel made a video trying to find out how many of these financial YouTubers beat the S&P 500 based on the stock picks they make. I recommend you watch his video, the link will be in the description below. The table you are seeing now is a screenshot from his video. But as you can see, they didn't do so well. But again, for them, it doesn't really matter. They have the other income streams to support them. They most likely have other portfolios they don't talk about. Whereas an average person, it could be an issue for them. It's fine telling people your opinion about a stock, as long as you back it up with data and not just speculate, as that is exactly what finance YouTube is your opinion on topics. But it comes a problem when you start making titles like this, the best stocks to buy or buy these stocks now. That is when you're encouraging new investors to get into something they don't fully understand. Novice investors will not have the knowledge to do their due diligence and they will just follow big creators blindly. I feel as financial educators here on YouTube, we should only post about our opinions on a subject, and we must be very careful about how we do so. And we must understand that we have a duty to represent finance in a way as to educate, not to promote a selfish interest. This video is not meant to degrade anyone, but to raise awareness for new investors. To make them realise that a lot of their big favourite financial YouTubers made a lot of their money in other ways, like real estate or from YouTube itself. Investing is a helpful tool for growing your wealth, but things like side hustles and extra income is what will make you that money in the first place. That's what investing is, it's a tool. It should not be relied on as the only thing that will get you there. I have always encouraged people to go out and get more than one income source, as that will help them grow their wealth. And secondly is to encourage people to do their own stock analysis and not follow or rely on big YouTubers to dictate their own investing journey. Yes, it's true I do stock analysis on this channel, but I have not and will not ever tell you to invest in something. I simply present my opinions on a company, backing up with data, and then you can make your own opinion from there. I'm not a financial advisor, I've never claimed to be one. I just am a regular guy with a normal job who just likes finance. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. It'd be a pleasure having you in the community, so if you could like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as a reward, here's a cute picture of a kitten, as requested. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.